Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. So you want to know more about why do female dogs kill their puppies? These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about why do female dogs kill their puppies is en.wikipedia.org. Specifically the page titled Dog, Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia. Here's the link. You can also try www.dogbreedinfo.com, especially the page Why Did My Dog Do That When He Knows It's Bad? But Does. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.vetinfo.com. The web page How long after having puppies does a female dog bleed? Here's the link.